Leave the trading to the pros with AP Social Trading. Invest smart, hassle-free, and enjoy passive income with peace of mind.
There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits, or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Welcome everybody to this monthly insight call for Kraitos and KraitosX. My name is Dominik, and I will take you through some settings. If you have any questions, please write them into the chat so I can answer them, and we can go through this webinar. So let me just open up first of all my Kraitos accounts. Okay, here we go. So first, we're going to go through some Kraitos accounts so you can get a feeling for it. We're going to also look at Kraitos Elite so you know what some settings mean, how you can change them, how you can make your trading experience better. So let's jump first into Kraitos Elite. Okay. So right now we have here Kraitos Elite. As you can see, my profit and loss right now drawdown is $0.29, nothing major. So my settings are as follows, and I will explain every single setting. So right now on this account here, it's $4,000, and on this account I'm running 0 position size for Kraitos Elite 0.01 per every 1,500 on the account. That means that every trade is going to get open with 0.02 starting lot size, and I'm running maximum instruments to trade at the same time. I'm running 6 pairs. Right here you can see that I'm running standard pairs plus some other pairs. So if you're not if you're a new user and you're like a, how would I say, like a conservative user, don't look at these pairs here. Okay, I'm running these pairs here because I know how Kraitos works and I know how to manage the account if something would happen. If you're not an experienced user, just stay with the default pairs: AUD CAD, NZD CAD, GBP USD, AUD USD, Euro USD, NZD USD, and USD CAD. So my spread filter is set to 3. My entry choice is set to Kraitos Elite entry, so that means that Kraitos needs more confirmation before entering a trade. Will there be less trades? Yes, there will be less trades, but the trades are going to be more precise. If you want more trades, it's smart money only, but this is your choice. Smart money only, it's more aggressive approach, and it's opening up trades way faster. It only needs 2 confirmation for the trades. My minimum required distance between trades in pips, it's set to 70 and to 40. This is, if you're like a moderate user, and you like moderate risk, this is for you. If you're more conservative user, what you can do here, instead of 70, you can set it to 100, and then decision in units in pips to 70. So that means that Kraitos is not going to open up trades so often, and the managing lot size will be smaller. My correlation filter, it's set to forbid correlating pairs. Why do I have it set to forbid correlating pairs? Because the market at the moment, it's really unpredictable. And what does that mean? If you have it set to forbid correlating pairs, if it opens AUD cat pair, if it opens AUD cat, it cannot open any other pair that has AUD inside, and it cannot open any pair that has cat inside. Okay, Canadian dollar. So this is if your approach, it's conservative. If you're more on the moderate side, you can change this filter to cross-directional out, or if you're an aggressive person, you can even turn it off. But for me, at the moment, the way the market is moving, I have set my forbid correlating pairs. Okay, trading pause that Kraitos doesn't put in trading stop losses. It doesn't trade. I have it set to 23.45 and 0.45. This time, it's not your time where you live, but this time it's the market watch time where you can find the market watch. I will show you later, but again, this is market watch time of your broker, not where you live. And most of the time, this is UTC time, like 1 hour before your Central European time. I have quantum zone strategy turned to true. Why? Because I like how it works. If you want to get into buys also on the top of the market, you can put it to false, but then the trades are not going to be as precise. Quantum zone strategy dynamic lot size, it's for people that have accounts 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 and above. If you have an account smaller than 10,000, I don't think you need to turn on the dynamic lot size. Initial trade take profit. It tells you the name by itself, what it is. It's going to take profit at 30 pips. If you have trading stop on initial trade set to true, that means that when it hits 30 pips, it's going to trail the stop loss with 10 pips. So if the market closes you out, you are securing 20 pips. On the managing trades, I have it set to 40, true, and 10. So now we come to the hedging trades. I have hedging trades set to true. Pips in drawdown for the hedge entry, I have it set to 15. So if the initial trade goes 15 pips into the negative, it's going to open up a hedge trade. Protect hedge with the stop loss pips offset to trigger. When the hedge is 80 pips in profit, then I put in a stop loss, and the stop loss, I put it only 5 pips into profit. Why only 5 pips? Because hedges are here to protect your account. We are not putting hedges in to make more money, okay, but just to protect your account. Use trail on the hedge trades. I have it set to false. Pips in positive before opening up a hedge, I have it set to 5. A lot of people ask me, why 5? Why not 0? It's like one thing that I will show you right now. Here are drawings. Okay, so why do I have it set to 0? Because I don't want that the hedge opens before, like on the managing trade. You can see here, we have a buy, we have a sell. This is Euro USD. Euro USD, the initial sequence is sell. So I have Euro USD here, Kraitos managing, I have a sell. So I don't want that it opens as that straight away, but first I want that first the initial trade has to go into positive before opening up a hedge. But because here it's the initial trade, because it's the initial trade doesn't have that. It only works for managing trades. So I want it first to go into positive. And this is like the settings that I trade on this account since the start. And right now, as you see, I have a drawdown of 0.28%, but I think that account did like 4% last month. So these are like the settings that I'm running on Kraitos Elite. If there's any questions, Q&A. Okay, do you use Elite and KraitosX on the same account? I do. You can see here, I have Forex pairs, and here it's also the gold KraitosX. So KraitosX, I have it here. For KraitosX, it's like one thing that I will explain to you what I figured out, and it's really interesting. It's not even, let me just restart this so I don't forget to restart. Let's see if it's gonna Okay, let me just restart. Okay. X.
Trade confidently with Kraitos, your AI trading partner. Let Kraitos handle the markets while you focus on what matters most.
So you can see here now, it's KraitosX. And one thing that like one of our customers figured out, it's like what it's like really good. And I think for KraitosX, this is especially good. I don't like it on the Kraitos Elite because it trades more pairs and then it takes like losses. But anyway, position size, I'm running 0.01 per $3,500. Because on this account, it's $3,930. And why I'm running it like this is because usually what it can happen on KraitosX is that like it misses a trade and then we can get stuck in drawdown. Like so right now, the hedge, it's only 50% of the trade. But what I did here, actually, you can see that the starting lot size, the sell is 0.1, and even the buy is 0.01. And what I saw on this account, on this account, it's like one thing that it's like really interesting, and I will show you right now. Okay, I hope you see the screen. What it's really interesting, if you run it like this, that the drawdown, it's really low. Okay, stir. The drawdown, it's actually really low, and you can see it right here. So you can see here, it's like an example, and you can see here, it's like minus $75 Kraitos initial, and then the hedge was $73 in positive. So the drawdown was really small. And then you can see here, Kraitos managing number one. It only needed like $4 pullback to get me out of trades, out of trouble. Okay, so this is why I'm running it like that. We are also working on a solution that like everybody could have it like that, no matter the account size. Because now if you have a 10K account, you have to run Kraitos X 0.01 per 10K. If you want it like that, you're already working on a solution. I have it here, entry choice Kraitos entry. My minimum required distance between trades, it's 1,800 and 1,300. Trading pause and trading resume is the same as on Kraitos Elite. I have Quantum Zone on. Sometimes Quantum Zone on KraitosX, I would say like that, it's not as good. It prevents to go with the market. Sometimes it's better to go with the market. Sometimes it can get you in trouble. I prefer it with Quantum Zone strategy on. Some people prefer it without. I have Quantum Zone strategy dynamic lot size set to false and close opposite direction of uncrossed instructional levels. I also have it set to false. My initial take profit, it's at 300. I have it set through 150. And then the managing trades, take profit on managing trades, it's set to 300. Here it's false because I saw also on the back test that on KraitosX, it's better to have it here managing trades on false, especially if you have a bigger starting lot size. So I have it set to false. Then hedge trades, I have it set here actually to true. And then pips in drawdown for the hedge entry, I have it set here to 150. And protect hedge with stop loss, pips to trigger to offset, I have it at 800. And I protect hedge with stop loss with pips offset, I have it with minus 75. And I will explain to you why minus 75. I put it here that it's like half of this when I enter the hedge. So you put here like 300, I would put like here 150. And why I have it like that, I'm gonna explain it to you right now. And pips in positive for opening up a hedge. Here with KraitosX, I think it's better to have it at 0 because the gold moves like way faster than it moves with Forex pairs. So I'm gonna explain it to you now why I have it here in negative. And this is like actually like a good thing, but you're gonna take like some losses, some little losses. But why is this a good thing? It's like because of this. I'm gonna show you right now. So let's say here it's not a stop loss in negative, but let's say that your stop loss, you said, okay, when it's like this much and this much in positive, put my stop loss, I don't know, like 30 pips into positive. Okay. So now if the market comes down and the market just comes here and it closes out your trailing stop loss, that means that it closed out your hedge, so you're not protected anymore. And then market turns from here on. It turns from here and goes into buy, and your sell, it's not protected. So now, with the other hand, if we have this hedge in negative, what can happen? The market goes down. You see the market goes down, 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 down. And then the market comes and it closes out your hedge. You see, it closes out your hedge. So it closes out your hedge. So if the market continues from here all the way down, you did something that the hedge, it's now you don't have a hedge, so you can get out with a bigger profit. But in the other hand, if the hedge, if the market continues from here or here, like let's say it comes to here and then decides to continue up, what it's gonna do, it's gonna reopen up this hedge. So you're always protected, even though you took a little loss with this stop loss. So sometimes if market is consolidating, like how you see here that it goes up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, you can even have like, I don't know, like 5-10 trades in negative, but you're still protected. But then like once the market goes your direction, you're gonna make back way more profit. So this is why I think that for KraitosX to protect like hedges this way, that you have like a negative stop loss on the hedge trades, I think it's like really good. So then close hedges with profit, I would set here to 10. My max lot size, I divide my balance divided with 60,000. Okay, I divide my balance with 60,000. Relax after X many trades, it's 5. Chill out when percentage of drawdown it's reached, it's 10. And equity protector is set to 25. So these two values, you have to decide like how much you're willing to risk. Like we put it in like 10 and 25. If you're willing to risk less, put less. If you're willing to risk more, put more. This is like up to you. Nobody can tell you like or put in the settings for you what you're willing to risk. You have to know what you are willing to risk. Okay. Keep trading after equity protector it's reached. I have it set to false because I don't want it that it just trades. I don't know what can happen in the market, so I have it set to false. And notification, I have it set here to 5. So yeah, these are like my settings. I hope that you understand like why I have them like this. Yeah, is there like any more other questions? Okay. Okay, we answered this one. Okay, so what else? Is there more questions? So yeah, these are like my settings. We are working on some enhancement to make it even better with the hedging. So yeah, this is it. If there is like no other questions, you can always reach us at the support desk. If you have like any other questions, do you my FX book? If I have my FX book, yeah, I do have my FX book. Wait, where is it? Okay, so you can see here is the account, our live account that we are running. Right now it's on 139K. Right now we are in some drawdown, 1.41% on this account. We're running the same exact settings on this account too. So it's like a long-term account. I think we can also share this account with you. If you want to run Kraitos Elite and KraitosX on the same account, I would start with like minimum of 5K. This is like my suggestion, but you can also run it like on $1,000 account, I think, but then you can only trade like 2 pairs at the same time on Elite and like Gold. But this is like really, really aggressive. Then you cannot even have like a 25% equity protector, but your equity protectors, like on $1,000 account with Elite, should be like at least like, I don't know, 50 to 60% of your account size. You didn't see it, like what it was shared on the screen. So here it is. This is the MyFX book. It's 1.4% in drawdown at the moment. We are up 49% for this year. So it's like a conservative account. I will see if this one is not verified. I can show you one that is like already verified and I can send it to you guys. But I think we already shared this one. But yeah, guys, if there's like no more questions, thank you for joining in live. I will end this call and talk to you next month. Bye-bye.